Welcome back, and I would like to extend this for loop a little bit more here. So far, we have learned three different types of for loop. One is the conventional way, which is the basic JavaScript function. Now, this is for off loop, which ignores the index. It is just it is used to represent the item directly from the array. And this is a kind of similar thing. um, Now these are good. There is another for loop function which works with object. Now object is, so let me create an object. I can take a blank object first. Okay, let me say name inside quote, sorry, and then let's say sham. Then let's say role is 10. So this is an object in JavaScript. Now in object, so object is just like array. It is integer indexed. Object is named indexed. So if I want to print the values, I can print object, and I can say name, which will print sham for me. And if I say role, it will print 10 for me. Now if I want to iterate through this object, what I can do is I can also run a loop called for in loop. And then I can say object dot name, and I can print like this. Well, this name is not really the, sorry. I'll tell you like what happened. So it will be sham and the roll number, and last time it was not coming because I was using dot notation instead of a square bracket notation. So dot notation is used for something else. I'll show you later on. Now here you can see there is a for in loop which is used in object. I'm printing sham and 10 here in case you want to. So these are like key and value pairs. So if you want to, this name is a key. So if you want to just print the key, I was printing values. So if you just want to print the key, you can also do that by running the, so name here is a maybe this is confusing. I'll select different thing. Like the item is a better choice here because otherwise it is confusing with this thing. So item, role, and name. And since it was confusing, it was actually confusing my object as well. When last time I used object.name, it was actually referring to this only, but now item will refer to both this and this. So let me do this dot notation operator. Now it is coming as null um, because here I should be using square bracket notation only. I'll come to that object properties later on, why this is null and why um, dot operator dot notation is not working here later on. But this is the for loop that I wanted to explain how this for loop is working. I can also do uh, this also, use this for loop here in a different manner, but um, this is basically used in object. That's it for the video. Thank you.